Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gav, where I talk about personal finance and investing. In today's video, it's gonna be a little different. Like I've been posting because I don't want to post stocks, investments all the time. For me, it gets boring. So I'm gonna change up my videos from here on out. I'm still going to talk about investments and stock specific in the future, but not today. So specifically, we're gonna talk about my new toy. So before we begin, just to let you guys know, I'm not a professional. I'm not a CPA, a CFA, nor a professional athlete. I'm just an amateur who just loves being active. So today, what I bought is a Carver Surf Skateboard. So, if you all know from my past videos, I'm active and I like going out, running, jogging, flying, anything active. And recently I just got into the sport of surfing. So I'm originally from California. My brother surfs and he just got me into it. Actually, last time I visited my family, where I went for vacation just to take some time off, I caught my first wave and I'm hooked. So it's like when you're riding your first bicycle without the training wheels. So when you take out your training wheels, you just maintain that momentum. That's my feeling right now. That's the feeling that I felt when I first caught my first wave. And because of that, I got hooked into surfing. And because I don't live near the ocean right now, but eventually I will, I've invested in this, a surf skateboard. And the reason why I went with Carver is that I'm not a sponsor, just to let you guys know. I bought this surf skateboard with my own money. Now the reason why I went with Carver Surfskate is because they're the only available as of now, and they fit my requirements. And they have good reviews, and they're from California too. They're actually from El Segundo, and that's near San Diego. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it. And if you look into their website, there's only a few of their surf skateboard that are not sold out, and I believe the rest are sold out just because of the pandemic and people got bored. So they'd rather invest in surfboards or surf skates and not get stuck inside the house. So yeah, this is the box, by the way. Right here, Carver Surfskate, and here it is. It has arrived. So packaging wise, they could improve, but I'm not picky as long as it's not damaged. Carver, if you're watching this, maybe put some like those heavy duty paper in there to provide some cushion, or some foam. But other than that, packaging is pretty good. I'm not very picky when it comes to packaging, as long as it's not damaged. So this is it. I got the Emerald Peak, and just because it has the size that I want and has the width that fits my body frame. So yeah, the only thing that I'm worried about is the white color, but again, I'm going for the effect, not the style. Actually, I love the style as well, but the color, I'm indifferent. I wish it was black. So right here, I actually like the color of the wheels. I like the bottom. I wish the top was black. Look at that. And the trucks that I bought is the C7, just because I want to learn how to surf and I want to get better. And I actually skateboard back when I was a little kid, not a professional skateboard. I just bought a skateboard and it was self-taught, and with this, it's gonna do the same thing. And I just want to have fun. Yeah. So far, it's pretty light. And Roadhouse. The wheels are pretty good. You can see. Yeah. Front wheels, about that. Right, they're pretty smooth. I love them already. So, like I said, this is the C7 truck, and it's specifically made for surf training. It's because I want to get into surfing more when I go to California and live there. And I just want to be able to keep up with my brother, who's actually decent with surfing. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go try it outside this afternoon, so hopefully I don't crash. And with that, just to manage my risk, I actually bought a helmet. Let me show you. So just to make sure I'm safe and I don't want to get hurt, I actually bought a helmet as well. So yeah, I'm gonna look like a nerd out there, like a little kid, but again, to me, I take safety very seriously, and it just ingrained in my discipline. When I'm flying, safety first. When I'm riding my bike, safety first. When I'm jogging, make sure you're comfortable and safe. So this is no different. Buy a helmet if you're riding two wheels or riding a motorcycle. Perhaps I do ride motorcycle as well, but this year it's in a storage. So yeah, I bought a helmet and this, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you own a surf skate, it doesn't have to be Carver. Do you guys enjoy it or not? And are you guys training for the surf season this upcoming summer? So yeah, comment down below. I'm happy my new toy is here. I'm gonna go play outside this afternoon. So yeah, comment down below if you own a surf skate. Doesn't have to be Carver. And if whether or not you're an amateur surfer as well, or learning how to surf. If you have any suggestions, comment down below, because I want to get into surfing eventually. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.